Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I want to do a face swap for you, and not just any face swap, we're going to do a video face swap. To start off, all you need to do is go to akool.com, link of course in the description below, and then click on login. You can log in with your Gmail account, or you can set up your own email and password if you'd like. You'll see here I'm logged in on the right side here. If I click on that, there you go. I'm logged in, and then presto, you'll see a few different options, but come on down here and you'll see one that says face swap, and you can already see just by looking at it, you get a feel for what you're going to be doing here. This kid turned into Elon Musk, for example. Yeah, so not only can you do that, it is extremely easy to use. I can't stress that enough. So I'm going to click on the try free button, and it's going to open up a new link for me, and presto. Now to do the face swap, all you need to do literally is click here, choose your file. So I'm going to go and click on that button, and then my file is saved in movies. So let's go with this one here. I've got a video of Cristiano Ronaldo trying on some suits, and I'm going to go ahead and replace his face with Lionel Messi. Now look how quickly that happened. So there you go. It's already done the basics here. You'll see Ronaldo just dressing up, looking all dapper there. And it's done some face detections. Now the faces you'll see here is this one and this one. So all you need to do now is upload a face on the right side. So I'm just going to click this little plus button, and then presto, I'm going to select Messi's face, and that is literally it. His face has been added. Now I'm just going to go ahead, and you'll see here, these are the two Ronaldo faces it detected. I'm just going to add this one to this here. Oops, this is not the right. I'm going to click on this one here. I'm going to click add face, and then I'm going to click on this one here, and I'm going to add the same face. Now, going down here, there are a few other options. You can re-age this, so it has aging properties. So if you wanted to turn him into an old man or a little baby, you can go ahead and do that. I'm going to leave that the same, but keep in mind that it does exist, and you can do that if you choose. And then there's also face enhances, and this works really, really well for ultra high-res videos, and also beautification if you're a female and you want to add in some female features. But we're not going to do that for this one here. So all you got to do now is click on high quality face swap, and watch this. It's going to go ahead, it's going to start detecting it, and then up at the top right, you'll see here it says results. Now I've gone ahead and run a few, so I'm going to click on results, and then this one here, let's take a look at this old man. You're going to see here, if you look really closely, this has kind of got some Brad Pitt action going on in there, and that's because I morphed Brad Pitt's face into the face swap, but it did a very good job of it. I've also run the same example that I'm doing here, that it's swapping. Let's go ahead and look at the output for the Ronaldo. I've already done it in the past, so it's processing it again, but here's what it came up with. There he is, and watch this. Bang, he's got the Messi face just naturally grafted onto him, and it's done a very good job. I mean, that's a hybrid between Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, and it's more Messi than Ronaldo. And literally, that is it. If I want to use it, I just click on download, and presto. Let's go ahead and see what happened here. I'm going to open it here, and I'm going to open the video, and bang, I've got the video. So there you go, guys. This is literally all it is to it. It even came with music, or it kept the music. So how cool is that? So there you go. That is all there is to it. It's really that simple to do face swapping. This is pro stuff. It's high level. It's awesome. You got to try it out. Links in the description below.